Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the free hair making tutorial for Roblox. So if you want to create amazing custom hair in Roblox for free, this tutorial I'll show you exactly how you can make your own stylish Roblox hair without spending a single Robux. So what you need to do here is just go to the avatar menu, and then in the marketplace you can click on the search icon at the top, and then just search for this keyword Serena, and this is a free one. This one's right here. You can click on it and purchase it. Okay, now you can just go back and go to the customize menu, and in here click on the head and body, click on the hair and use the Serena's hair. Okay, now go back to the marketplace and search for the second character that we're going to use. Click on this magnifying glass icon and search for Skylar. This one, this is also free, so click on it. Click on free and click on get. So it's already purchased. Let's go back to the customize menu. And in here you can just go to the accessories options, and now click on this accessory, and here you can just go to the adjustment on the avatar. So in customizing here, you can click on this one, click on the adjustment settings, click on the head, the head. In here you can adjust it by adjusting the Y and X. You can adjust it to how you like it. So now once you're done, just click on apply, and this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.